Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a protein double chocolate cupcake. So let's start. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications because I post a video every week. Also, you can follow me on Instagram for daily content. If you have seen some of my videos before, you know that I like to separate my wet ingredients from my dry ingredients because, well, for me it's easier to combine first the wet ingredients. So I combine them with a hand mixer because right now I have a small kitchen and this is ideal for me. And then I stir the dry ingredients together and combine it with already the wet ingredient mix. If you see that it's too dry, add a little bit of water, little by little, until you get a consistency like you see right now. I add my special ingredients, my secret ingredients, which are going to be listed on the description of this video. And then I fill these cute little cups. I bake them for 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 or 25 minutes. And this is optional. So I use 85 to 90% chocolate, dark chocolate, with a little bit of coconut oil and coconut milk until I get a consistency like this. And I use it as a top coat. This is optional, of course. While your top coat, it's still liquid. You can add your final touches, coconut shreds or this sparks, like whatever you feel like. And then you have this delicious fluffy muffins. Very rich and moist. Enjoy!